Hey y'all, it's DJ the Diva here coming at you with another video. You guys, I don't know if I showed you guys or not, but before I left for work um, this morning, I had picked up two vases from the Goodwill outlet. And you guys know anything, no matter what the size is or what the shape is, that's glass or ceramic is 15 cents a piece. I found matching, okay? The only thing is it had a bunch of yellow paint on it. So before I left from work, I got me a little bucket and I filled it with paper towel. I doused it with non-acetone fingernail polish. I wrapped it around it and I put these large home goods bag around them to create like a greenhouse effect, um, and tied them up, for when I get off of work this evening. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. This is a great, uplifting, peaceful, joyous, non-shade having channel. Okay, we love over here. We love on you. And we celebrate you over here. So please subscribe. We have great energy and good things going on. Life lessons. We get you all the way together with Operation Get Snatched, what I eat in a day, cook with me, and smoothie of the day. We add a little God in there. We add a lot of God because he's the center of this channel, okay? Home decor, DIYs, fashion, and to me, home decor is just fashion for your home. You tend to dress your home like you dress yourself, okay? Please don't mind the locusts in the trees, honey. I'm trying to get done with this before it gets too dark. We got our big raccoon running around here somewhere and everybody's garbage. However, I know he's ticked off because he can't never get in mine because it's all tied up. I have heavy duty trash cans and bleach in them, okay? Because we know they can use their hands. If you're from the country, you know all about the raccoons. Anywho, on my way home, because I figured I'd have trouble getting the acrylic paint off of these beautiful vases. I get things in pairs. So luckily there was two of them. And they were sitting on top, and because they were so horribly painted, nobody paid any attention to them. But I could see beyond what they looked like on the exterior, and I could see what they could become, okay? My husband has a joke that I never leave anything the way the manufacturer has designed it to be. I always have to create it, remake it, and I do. I have to admit I do. Okay, but, so I showed you, I just took the paper towel off and the paint's still there. I got a lot of it off. But on my way home, I stopped and I got at the Dollar General, like the Chura Boys, the stainless steel scrubber, and I picked up some 100% acetone nail polish remover, and I just poured it over it. And I'm gonna bring you guys down here so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing. Okay, so I just poured the acetone on it, and I want you to see how effortlessly this is coming off. So I'm going to pour a little bit more on it just so you guys can see. I love the shape of these vases. Be careful with the acetone because it does dry out your hands. And if you do this, now my porch is concrete, but I'm still going to rinse it off with my amazing Dawn dish liquid so that there'll be no accidents. Look at that. Look at that. Look how it just comes off. So if you have a painted surface where it's acrylic paint and you want a fast way, now mind you, this had been in the greenhouse effect with the paper towel on it. But I just wanted to show the quick and simple, easy way to remove acrylic paint from glass. Simple, easy, does the trick. Like I said, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you over here in this family of love. Everything we do on here will better everybody else. Now the lip of this is going to be a little bit more difficult. But you guys see. Y'all guys see how fast that came off. With little to no effort. Okay. Little to no effort, y'all. I'm going to have to take a little bit of this paper towel and douse it with the fingernail polish remover and wipe around. Just wipe around the lip. I'm not trying to be out here and be raccoon meat in the dark. So, trying to get this done. Yeah, acetone is the mess. Is the business, y'all. Quick and easy. Easy and quick. Okay, I'll turn this over. Because whoever painted this also painted the bottoms. But I'm going to do it like this, and then I'm going to put it in my tub and clean from the inside out. But I want to get the messy paint chips and stuff off out here because I'm not messing up my bathroom. If you have not yet subscribed, please, y'all, subscribe to my channel. Become one with your girl so that we can be a happy family over here, sharing and swapping secrets and recipes and detox scripture. And we learn from one another. Dude. I see a lot of you looking. Please subscribe. A lot of you guys are viewing. It's a little bit of everything for everybody over on this channel. I'm really into my home and my family, and I'm a Christian woman. And we try to keep it all the way godly over here, all the way positive, uplifting, lighthearted. We do deal with issues from time to time. If you have something you want to discuss, you need prayer for something, just let me know. I am an ordained minister. I don't discriminate against anybody else's religion. Like I said, we keep it positive. And my good book tells us, judge lest thee be judged. Right? Alright, I think this is good enough to take in the house. I'm going to kind of give it a good rinse off here. Put a good rinse off. Like I said, Goodwill outlet, 15 cents a piece. And it's getting dark out here. I'm sorry, you guys. Is that better, fam? That's better. That's better, fam. But I love. That's beautiful. Beautiful. This was part 2. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to take that paint off. After I doused it again with the acetone nail polish remover. So acetone did do that. It did that thing, girl. Alright, I love you to life. Please subscribe, share with your friends, family, co-workers, subscribers, and followers. So they can too be living their best life and become a diva and a divo. Alright? I love you guys to life. And hurry up and douse this with water so I can take it in and get out of the dark. Because your girl's always looking out for the killer. I love you to life. See you in the next video. Bye. Like I said, this is part 2. Bye.